the trees have made the mountains up so high. Above it all.
Camp Shalom is nestled quietly in the woods near Maquoketa Caves.
What are the lions in?
It's an opportunity to fellowship, commune with nature, and with God.
The activities are everything from all the games that we play, you know, the running, climbing, canoeing, swimming, all of the physical activities, but in regards to faith, it is about, they do Bible study and stuff like that, but I really look at camp as a place where kids come together and learn how to be better people. And my hope at the end of the week is that when they go out the gates, that they're more prepared to take their faith with them. We're giving them courage to take their faith outside of our gates.
This is the 40th anniversary of Camp Shalom, a place where people gather year-round. However, for 9 weeks in the summer, the camp really comes to life. As you might imagine, it takes a lot of people willing to devote their time and energy.
The best part about Camp Shalom is the people. Getting to be a part of summer staff and all the young men and women who give their time to Camp Shalom. Like you said, they could be doing anything. They could be doing something somewhere else and making a lot more money doing it, but they come to Camp Shalom because they know that they're going to experience something that's bigger than making minimum wage.
In the end, it's all about the campers and the benefits they reap from just 1 week.
I really like how you can pretty much just be yourself and not have to be judged by other people. People don't really care if you look different, and you feel just connected with everyone, whether it's a fellow cabin mate or like your counselor. So it's just really like a huge bonding thing with your friends and sometimes your family if you go to family camp. And it's a real place where you can get closer to God and Jesus and learn about your faith life.
You might also make a few friends along the way. Reporting for QC Family Focus Magazine, I'm Mike Mickle.